I want to merge or unmerge cells, what I'll do is I have the data there. If I want to the monthly budget part to come to merge with these cells so that it's a unique heading for January, February, March data, as well as the expense heading, what I can do is I can just select all four cells. I can go to home, I can go to merge and center button, and I can just click that and it will be like a heading for four of them. So it will be just one, and I can just move it to left if I want, or in the middle or to the right. I can just align it as I want. And if I want to unmerge this again, what I do is I click this cell, I go to merge and center, and I just click the drop down, and the last button, which is unmerge cells, I just click that and it's back to how it was. So there are four cells now. So you can merge and unmerge cells like that.